Feeling the gentle breeze. Let's make this a beautiful day. I love coffee. Would you like a cup of coffee? Oh yeah, over a cup of coffee. Oh yeah, over a cup of coffee.
Your dreams are your blueprints in life. Build them with action and passion.
Blueprint is a photographic print and a detailed technical plan by an architect that shows how to construct something. Nandyan ang mga drawings, designs, sketches, which includes floor plans, elevations, and specifications. Sa isang specific plan, isang master plan, dito nakatuon ang mga manggagawa sa bawat galaw. Nakapokus sa blueprint, ito ang sinusunod at habang binubuo, patuloy itong pinag-aaralan. Bawat galaw, pinapaganda at bawat kilos ay mahalaga. Sa ating buhay, yung ating mga pangarap ay dapat si Jesus ang architect ng ating buhay. Kaya nga, bawat action and passion ay mahalaga. At ang pagkatao natin ay isang mystery ng buhay na ang Diyos lang ang nakakaalam. In Jeremiah 1:5, it says, "Before I formed you in your mother's womb, before you were born, I set you apart and appointed you." Hindi pa man tayo nilalagay sa sinapupunan ng ating mga nanay, alam na ng Diyos ang kanyang paglikha sa atin. Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a good future." The power of God, His dominance chiseled, nakaukit ang kinabukasan ng bawat isa sa atin kung paano tayo mabubuhay. Ngunit karamihan sa atin naniniwala na may Diyos pero hindi sinusunod ang kanyang mga salita at hindi lumusang nagtitiwala. The power of God, His dominance, chiseled, nakaukit ang kinabukasan, kaya nga paraiso ang pinaglagyan sa tao. His mastery, craftsmanship, power of creation, our destiny embedded with an assurance that God wants us to live our life to the fullest. It is good, my dear friends, to dream dreams. Ask God always with His guidance. And may God bless the work of our hands, and may our plans be His plan.